'cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever did that, I think I'd ever.
Hi guys, welcome back to BC Bulldogs. We are so sorry that we have not posted in a long time since our first video. Hopefully we get this done. Because like I love YouTube and I love watching people do YouTube and I love being a YouTuber, but we haven't posted our first video of us actually doing something, so this is going to be the first one. We are going to be making slime because that's what I love doing. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. So let's get started. So first we're going to get some Elmer's glue. And if I haven't mentioned, we're going to be making my favorite slime recipe. So first, you can take some Elmer's glue. Technically, however much glue you put in is how much glue you'll have. I would just check the ingredients on the glue and make sure that it has polyvinyl alcohol, or so that you don't have to do that, just get Elmer's glue. And if you already have it, great. Next, we are going to be adding in food coloring. This is optional. I just like color best. So I'm gonna add in some green. So sorry that it is hard to see. The camera is like really far away. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. I'm hoping for like a minty green, like if you know the green toothpaste, kind of going for that color. Okay, next we're going to be adding in 2 pumps of foaming hand soap. I love when you put foaming hand soap in, so it makes it like really crunchy, if you know what I mean. And then I'm going to add in shaving cream. This is optional, but for fluffy slime, I would recommend this. I always put in a little more than you think you need. So I put in about that much. And then I always add in lotion to make it stretchier. If I can get any more out of this tube. And we'll add some in. So I was thinking about something that we could do. You know how each YouTuber kind of has their own little thing. So mine is put in the comments your best joke. So that was mine, was to put in comment down below your best joke. So after you put those things in, I would go ahead and mix it. And you don't have to follow the exact recipe. This is just my recipe. See, there's like it's like a really mint green. Like, it's kind of hard to tell. So next, I'm putting in a little bit of contact solution. This is not going to be like the full activator to make it the slime. But I just add in a little bit of contact solution so that it becomes like a little unsticky. That's not a word. Like less sticky. My 2 favorite activators are Borax and Tide. So today I have Tide. So I'm going to put some Tide into the cap. I always put in a little at a time because you don't want to over activate it. And you'll know when it's clumping together. It's kind of hard to explain. Like, it gets like stringy and it doesn't stick to the bowl and it becomes a clump. Let's just clean out the bowl here. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit just into the bowl so I can get the rest of it out. Okay, so let's put this to the side. Sorry if I look like a mess. It's just about noon. So mine is still a bit sticky, but I would almost say that that's a good thing. Okay, so I think I added just a little bit too much shaving cream. Let's put that to the side. Okay. Oh well. I'm going to go ahead and add some lotion, because I think I overactivated it a little bit. And any lotion that you add in, like the thing that's in lotion that makes it like stretchy is glycerin. So if you have like really good lotion with like glycerin in it, and it smells really good, then definitely put it in. I haven't seen any videos on it, but you might be able to put essential oils in it. If you've tried it, comment down below how it went. Okay. Okay, so here's my slime. Okay. So here's my slime. As you can see, it's really pretty, and I think I might add in some glitter. I think I'm going to add in, so like this is what I have for glitter. I have 2 tubes of this. I can't remember what the other color was. But I'm going to put in a capful into the top. And then what I especially love doing with glitter is wiping it across the top like this and then poking it. Like, you know, like the gold slimes that like are like super pretty, and when you poke on them, it looks like super cool. That's kind of what it reminds me of when So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And yeah, see you next time. Comment down below what you think we should do next. Bye.